Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going through free resources available to you to level up your data skills. Now, not everybody has a development budget, or you might have spent your dev budget on something else already, and you still want to learn something. So here are the free resources available to you. This is not an exhaustive list. These are the things that are an example of the things that you could look for, or the things that I personally stay on top of. If you think I missed anything, please comment down below. And if this is helpful, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Happy learning. First things first, learning passes. Now, a lot of the free learning resources are not very structured. They don't necessarily have a consistent theme or a table of content. Learning passes is a more structured way in the free resource world to learn about how to do your particular role in that technology. So these are different learning passes available in cloud providers as well as Databricks and Snowflake. Now, if you're working with dbt, Tableau, different technologies, they will provide their own free learning on their website. So the second thing is webinars. And again, these are non-exhaustive lists of the webinars that you can sign up to. And a lot of these webinars are specifically tailored to a topic that certain type of persona would be interested in, and you typically will be an SME in that topic. The third, which is a really, really good learning resource, is the hands-on labs or hackathons. I came from Microsoft, and Microsoft Open Hack is one of the best ways to learn together with a team of 3 or 4 or 5, and you're assigned a coach, either virtually or in a room, working with these people for 3 days, doing hands-on coding and solving a problem with a specific type of technology. And that's really the most efficient way to learn for me. And same with all the other providers that's listed. They all offer some sort of hands-on lab that you can utilize for free. The Databricks offering is not a free hands-on lab, but it's a community edition that you can provision and start to learn Databricks without having to pay for the Databricks compute. And the fourth is quick starts. So these are very, very basic labs or walkthroughs that you can do. Basically follow the instruction and you will be able to learn the quick starts of how to do certain type of tasks in these technologies. The fifth is events. Now, all of these technologies will run their own events. And the good thing about the events is a lot of these events will be free training days, either virtual or in person. So take a look at the events page of the technology that you're working with. Pay attention when they say, okay, there will be free training or free labs available. Sign up for those, or go to the event and hear about the latest kind of announcements and trends in that technology. Is really useful for you to stay current and stay on top of the technology you're working with. The sixth is ebooks and white papers. All of them do a lot of white papers and ebooks and research papers. These are very good to read. A lot of people think these are like marketing vehicles, and some of these are, but a lot of these white papers are actually really well written. Like the big book for ML Ops is really, really good. YouTube. So a lot of vendors will have their own YouTube channel, so you can subscribe to those. On the right is just a list of channels that I personally subscribe to, and you might have your own technologies that you're interested in, or like content creators that you're interested in and you want to subscribe to their own YouTube channel. Blogs is interesting because it's basically serving 2 different purposes. One is to stay on top of the product announcements. A lot of these blogs will write about new features, public previews, and you can stay on top of the technology by reading the company blogs. On the right, you have blogs that I typically read, as well as the common blog platform for a lot of content creators. And these are very good if you're looking for a specific way to do things, and if it's not a let's say, product feature, it's a walk around, and some influencers or some content creators will write about it. A lot of these blogs are just very well written by really knowledgeable people. So without having a personal relationship with these content creators, and these are really good way to read about what they know about. Online courses, a lot of the courses online are paid. Quite a few of them are free of charge as well. So you want to look at the free courses available for learning, as well as things like EDX. They will have some courses that are free of charge, but if you want to get a certification, then you have to pay. That kind of optional upgrade is available. So if you just want to learn for the sake of learning without earning any kind of paperwork, then EDX is really good for that. Podcast, you could hear about what that company has to say, whereas on the right-hand side, you have a list of podcasts that I listen to. That's typically a little bit more agnostic in terms of technology, and I can't just limit the resources to 10 types. There's other things you can think about as well. One is the newsletters. Again, this is twofold. So Substack gives people options to set up newsletters, and some of these newsletters are free of charge, whereas some of the newsletters has a paid for option. So you could, depends on your area of interest, sign up to different Substack newsletters, as well as the newsletters of a certain vendor that you're working with. Community site is really, really good way to work with people like you, ask questions, answer their questions, and knowledge crowdsourcing at its best. That's it. That's everything I have planned for free resources. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to plan your learning journey and choose between these learning resources together with the paid ones. And hopefully this is helpful for you. If I missed anything, please comment below. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it.